The Myriaw Area Football Tournament commenced on the 2nd of September 2024 at the Myriaw Football Ground, bringing together 8 teams from 13 villages across the region. Organized by the Synjuk Ki Sordar Shnong Hima Myriaw, the tournament is a significant event celebrating both local sports and community spirit. Erwin K. Sutanga graced the occasion as chief guest, with Rafael Wadri as the guest of honor. Their presence highlighted the tournament's objectives of raising funds for social causes and preserving the matrilineal clan lineage system. Both dignitaries in their speeches emphasized the need for greater youth participation in sports and cultural heritage preservation. Several village headmen, including Synjuk Ki Sordar Shnong President Kromdar Lungdo Kinshi and Secretary Sranlin Shanghoi Siem, were also in attendance, lending their support to the event. The opening match saw Ramsey narrowly defeating Maukamoy by 1-0 in a tightly contested game. The tournament will run throughout September, with remaining teams competing in a series of matches. The final, scheduled for the end of the month, promises an exciting culmination to the competition.